Hey design enthusiasts, it's time to delve into chapter 3 of our Vectr adventure, returning to the dashboard. So, whether you're itching to start a new project or manage your existing ones, I've got the roadmap right here. Let's get started. Imagine you're on a creative spree, and suddenly you want to head back to the Vectr dashboard. Easy peasy, just lay your eyes on that home icon right there in the top left corner of the editor. Click on it and voila, you're transported back to the main hub. But wait, there's more. For all you shortcut lovers out there, you can also use Alt or Option plus H for instant teleportation to the dashboard. Cool, right? Now, let's talk about something cool, the magic of autosave. No need to fear losing your masterpiece mid-creation. Vectr's got your back. Every little tweak, every curve, it's all saved automatically. Yep, even if your creative genius is interrupted by a sudden power outage or a coffee spill, your progress is safe and sound. But, oh, here's the thing. Sometimes when you're returning to the dashboard, you might encounter a friendly notice. It's like Vectr saying, "Hold on, I'm wrapping up something important." If you see this notice, it's probably because Vectr is doing some behind-the-scenes magic, like transferring data to its secret back-end layer. Here's a little tip. That notice might tell you that your file can't be saved at that moment. Don't panic. It could be due to a wobbly internet connection or the data dance happening in the background. If you forge ahead while Vectr's still saving, you might risk losing those precious changes. Hold tight, let it do its thing, and then return to the dashboard with peace of mind. So there you have it, the art of returning to the dashboard and the dance of saving. It's a harmony between you, your creativity, and the web. Until Vectr conjures up an even better solution, let's embrace this tech waltz and keep creating with all the confidence in the world. This is Vis, signing off with creativity and connectivity. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next chapter. See ya!